Viewers, in this video, we are going to see an important information for plus 2 completed students. By this time, having written the plus 2 examinations, and probably students will be waiting for their results. This is the right time for the students to choose their higher studies. As we all know that the field of medicine and its allied field are been a very good choice. In this category, B Pharm, the Bachelor of Pharmacy, is a right choice for those students who are interested to join about the drugs and its uses, because very tremendous opportunities are there always for this B Pharm course. It is a 4 year course with 8 semesters. As far as the Tamil Nadu is concerned, this B Pharm course is affiliated to the Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Basically, the eligibility for this course is plus 2 with physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology or computer science with a minimum of 50% of marks. Usually the age should be around 17 years. The colleges in Tamil Nadu, usually only 2 government colleges are there for this particular B Pharm course, and one is Madras Medical College, Chennai, and the other one is Madurai Medical College, which is located in Madurai. The remaining colleges are private colleges. And coming back to as far as the job opportunities for B Pharm course is concerned, currently plenty of opportunities are awaiting for the B Pharm completed students. After the 4 years of their studies, students can become a drug inspector from the central and state government, so they can apply for it. And the second one is hospital pharmacist, where they can work in a hospital attached pharmacies as a pharmacy manager and pharmacy staff and a pharmacist in junior and senior level. And the third one is clinical pharmacist, so they can work along with the doctors to see the patients and their conditions. So usually it happens with inside the hospital. And they can also work as a overseas pharmacist in countries like Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Saudi, and they will get a good decent salary also. They can get around 1 lakh to 1.25 lakhs per month, and they can also work in pharmaceutical industries in the areas like research and development for the discovery of new drugs and formulation of the new drugs, and in the regulatory affairs department, which is a documentation department where they document all the proceedings of the pharmaceutical drug discovery and manufacturing. And the third one is technology transfer department, and the fourth one is quality assurance department. So this department is very important, and most of the students will be placed in this department because they will ensure the quality of the drugs. And the third one is quality control department, which they will test the quality of the drugs with certain chemicals, certain standard procedures. And this particular area, students will be appointed most probably because this is a very big area where they can work. And the third one is manufacturing. The manufacturing is divided into 3 areas where the B Pharm candidates will get an opportunity. That is production, packaging department, post-production department. So in these 3 areas, the B Pharm completing students will have a tremendous opportunities. They can work and they will get a decent salary of more than 25,000 as a starting salary, which goes up to 1 lakh. They can also work as a medical writer, so which is an emerging job opportunity for the upcoming B Pharm candidate completing students. And the third one is pharmacovigilance coordinator, so which is also most of the companies in the IT sector like TCS, Accenture, Wipro and other IT related industries also having pharmacovigilance, which is nothing but adverse drug reaction monitoring and documentation. So nowadays this is a booming field, so the students will get a greater opportunity and they will have a better scope in the pharmacovigilance. And the salary range is, they can start with their salary range of about 50,000. So students, absolutely there is no doubt that BPharm course will be a very right choice for your better future, and all the very best students. Kindly share the video if you found it beneficial, and also click the bell button to get the latest notification. Thank you. By Dr. L.N. Kumar.